Let love be the grandest voice to peace, where no one should deceive just to survive.
The new Miss Grand International 2025 is Miss Grand Philippines!
Ang liwayat aga na inglagong Kapampangan. Luwid ka kabalen. Congratulations, Emma Mary Tiglao, Miss Grand International 2025.